Welcome to our tutorial on how to enable automatic updates for Telegram on your PC. Let's walk through the steps together. To start, open the Microsoft Store app on your computer. You can do this by clicking on the Start menu and searching for Microsoft Store. Next, locate the Account menu within the Microsoft Store app. Click on the three horizontal dots situated at the top right corner to access the Account menu. Within the Account menu, find and select Settings from the list of options. It should be the second option presented in the menu. Once you are in the Settings section, look for the option that allows you to manage app updates. Find the setting labeled Update Apps Automatically and make sure to turn it on. To complete the process, toggle on the switch next to Update Apps Automatically within the Windows settings. By doing this, you are ensuring that automatic updates for Telegram are activated on your PC. By following these simple steps, you can ensure that Telegram receives automatic updates on your computer, keeping you up to date with the latest features and enhancements. Thank you for watching our tutorial. If you found this information helpful, please consider liking and subscribing for more tech guides and tutorials.